I want to give a quick shout out to Ego Zarzine FN. I think that's what his name is, or her. He was the first couple comments on my last video. So if he's a YouTuber, check him out and show him some love. Hello everyone, welcome back to another mukbang with me, Fart and Fresh. You guys, today I've got Chinese food. So what I've got here is General Tso chicken. I've also got their Young Chow barbecue pork fried rice, and I've got fried dumplings. You guys, this looks so good. I am really hungry today. Like I know I always say I'm really hungry, but today I'm super hungry. If you guys do enjoy this video, give it a like, subscribe, and comment, and let's get all this food in my belly right now. Okay, you know what? I want to try this first. Anything deep fried is fire. There's shrimp, and I think that's seaweed. There's seaweed in there, which is fire. Very healthy for you and delicious. My taste buds are going to have a party today. It's a party today. Oh, no, buddy boy. We're gonna eat you. Oh my god, I can't do this. Yeah. Yeah. It's sweet, but it's also salty. It's crispy because deep fried. There's my vegetables because I need my vegetables all the time. I don't know what it is. Anything deep fried, chicken deep fried with sauce smothered all over it is gold. It's gold, 100%. My taste buds are having a party today. They are having a quarantine party. So General Tso chicken isn't authentic Chinese food. It's more like a North American Chinese style dish. But I did buy this from like an authentic Chinese restaurant. So like it's like straight up, you know, as traditional as you can get. But they've also got like some North American style dishes, which is one of these. These are one of them. Oh, there's mushroom. And dumplings. I forgot my soy sauce. You guys ever get so hungry that you forget something and you're like, screw it, I'll just eat it without it? because you don't want to waste any time. You just want to eat. Oh, what a feel. I dropped like a quarter of the rice on the floor. Oh well. We're feeding the team, if you know what I mean. Oh, you know what sucks? When you eat rice really fast, it like gets stuck here. There's nothing special about the fried rice. It's just your straight up regular fried rice. So I was at the store 2 days ago. Some guy walks in. He walks in angry. He was already pissed off. And one of our staff went and did cash. And her English isn't like smooth. It's not like fluent English. So yeah, I got kind of angry. And he's yelling. He's like straight up yelling. I'm like, but there's no one in the store because the business is dead right now. So like, it's not like he's like yelling. Everyone's like looking at him. There's no one in the store. So he's like yelling and yelling. I had to come in and jump in because like he's yelling at like someone, right? Like it's a girl too. So I'm like, what's going on? And he's like yelling. I'm trying to talk to him, and he's like yelling at her as I'm talking. I'm like, why don't you look at me? And he's still yelling, and he's like yelling at the girl. And then I'm like, yo, listen. I'm like, yo, look at me, boy. Look at me. No, I'm kidding. I didn't say that. But I was like, just look at me. Why can't you look at me? Why are you attacking the girl? And I'm like, I'm right here, bro. Like, just talk to me. I told him, like, this is not the time to fight with people. Like, there's a pandemic going on in this whole country, all over the world. We don't want to fight with everyone, you know what I mean? We don't want to fight with you. We don't want to fight with that guy, with her. We all gotta work together because you're getting angry at the dumbest thing. Like, okay, like, doesn't know English that well, but it's gonna happen. Not every single person in this world knows English, right? So he understood the situation. We made his burger and he left. I'm like, that was so hectic. Like, why is he starting a fight with people right now? Right now, our biggest worry is to survive this COVID-19 situation. And then there's this guy out of nowhere just yelling because someone doesn't know English that well. Well, I'm pretty surprised. I actually finished majority of the food. When I opened it up, I'm like, wow, that's a lot of food. I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat all of it. Because your boy is a wussy now because he doesn't work out. The gym's closed and apparently they're supposed to close until June. They have plans to close the gym till June. Like, June. Like, what are you supposed to do? Bro, I need to work out, man. Like, I need to work out. Like June? Like who made up this schedule? Like come on, like coronavirus, like get the hell out of here. But we don't want you here anymore. It's like you came, you partied. Okay, now it's time to go. Like there's no more time for you. Like you're out now. Like coronavirus, you could get out. The only thing I'm doing right now is doing treadmill. There's only so much you could do when you do treadmill. The amount of food I eat, I have to work out. I have to, not just treadmill, like I have to do weights. 100% you have to do weights when you eat food like this. Because just cardio isn't going to burn all of this down. My buddy, he's like a huge gym fanatic. As soon as he found out that gyms were closing, he like right away called like a fitness store that sells gym equipment. He spent like 5 grand in gym equipment right away. And then he got lucky because after he bought all that, his other friends who are also gym fanatics were trying to buy the same equipment and it was sold out. It was all sold out, or they were super busy. They weren't able to fulfill the orders. So imagine. I remember this one time I was making like dumb faces on one of my videos, and someone like went off. Like he got so triggered. He's like, "Yo, you're never gonna get big. You do stupid faces and stuff. No, you're never gonna get big." Blah blah. Blah. And I'm here like this. We killed that. I'm not gonna lie though, the vegetables in here taste like bad. I was saying ass. They taste like ass. Yeah. Sweet and sour sauce in broccoli is so nasty. These dumplings, they're like legit dumplings. They kind of look like a North American style dish, like not authentic Chinese food, but that was When you eat it, you're like, yo, that's street authentic. It's like I'm in Hong Kong right now eating this. Guys, we good here. That's the spot. You guys, I hope you guys all enjoy this. If you guys do enjoy this video, give it a like, subscribe, and comment. If you guys don't enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day, and we will see you guys in a bit. Peace.